Hey, it's Noe with WTI, and if packing is the worst part of a trip for you, well, maybe you've never tried compression cubes before. Having this set of 8 from HWAEYEM has been a game changer. One of my favorite things about this set is just how easy it made packing. They are lightweight, they have handles, the mesh on these is super durable. I absolutely love the fact that the zippers were strong too. The surface of these were slick and smooth to the touch, which really made it very easy to wipe down if they did get dirty. When you're done using all the cubes, they all fit into one, which allows you to store them away very easily. These are great for anyone who likes to travel. They're very easy to use for any carry-on luggage. They'd be great for a weekend away or any extended stay of traveling. I was able to fit all that I wanted and more. So if you haven't tried compression cubes before, I would highly recommend this set from HWAEYEM, and that's my point of view.